I have a Fanimation Slinger V2 ceiling fan that I'm installing. I have one wall switch. I have a red, white, black and copper wire coming from the ceiling. I followed the wiring instructions exactly. I have power to the fan and the light works, but the wall switch won't turn it on or off. Not sure what the issue is.
How many switch wires are there, and what colors are they?
The wall switch?
How long has this been going on with your Fanimation ceiling fan? What have you tried so far?
Just installed it.
Is there anything else the electrician should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
That's all. Thanks.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be happy to assist you with your electrical question. My background includes 34 years as a licensed electrical contractor, residential, commercial, industrial, in Illinois, retired AT&T telecom engineer, adjunct college electrical instructor, former electrical inspector, 2x graduate from DeVry Institute of Technology with certificate in telecommunications installation and diploma in digital electronics, FCC amateur and commercial radio licenses. I am also a certified construction manager for residential construction. I previously held a state of Illinois home inspector's license. I'm sorry to hear you're having problems. I know that can be frustrating, and I can empathize with your situation. Hopefully, we can get this resolved quickly. 1. Back out the wall switch and tell me how many wires and the wire colors on the switch. 2. How many wires and the wire colors at the ceiling box? 3. Which wire house colors are spliced together?
Give me 1 minute. Red, black and ground to the wall switch. I have a red, white, black and ground coming from the ceiling. The fan has a remote with a receiver. I wired the fan as instructed. It works, but the wall switch no longer controls the power to the fan.
1. Most likely the red wire is the switch loop that extends from the wall switch to the ceiling box. Does the wall switch have a red wire?
Red and black. Only one switch.
1. Most likely the red wire is the switch loop wire and needs to be spliced to the black wire on the input of the receiver.
There is a red wire coming from the fan motor, one coming from the receiver and one from the ceiling. I've connected those three together. The fan and light currently work. I don't understand why the wall switch won't shut off the power to the fan.
1. The red wire that originates from the wall switch is most likely the switch loop wires. Splice the red house wire to the fan receiver black wire. Does that work? 2. If not working, you will need a multimeter to confirm voltage at the ceiling house wires.
That did the trick. Should I just cap off the black wire coming from the ceiling?
Yes, cap off the black wire with a wirenut. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Thanks. Kevin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.